My name is Miss Washington, and today I am going to be showing you how you can incorporate ELA, art, and math with equivalent fractions. So I am going to start out first with the thing that I think that is most important is the vocabulary words, helping to let the children know what a fraction is and what a fraction means. When children know the meaning of vocabulary words, they often achieve their goals. Fraction. A fraction is a number that represents part of a whole or a set. A unit fraction represents one equal part of a whole or a set. For example, here is a unit fraction of 1/8. A whole. A whole is the part of one shape or group. And this is one whole. The sentence strip. Also, when we're talking about fractions, a fraction has a numerator and a denominator. The denominator is the part of a fraction that represents how many equal parts are in a whole or a set. And you locate the denominator at the bottom of the and sign. And lastly, you have the numerator. The numerator is the part of a fraction that represents how many equal parts are being counted. And as we see here, we have one part that is being counted of half of a whole. And you put together two halves, and you get one whole. So today I am going to show you the equivalent fraction of a half. I have a little assignment here that says lunchtime trades. This is an activity that a child could do for differentiation, and they can sit down independently and do this by themselves when they're practicing on their fractions. Okay, so what it tells me here, it says, let's pretend each fraction tower is a different kind of fruit. And let's start with a half. So, I am going to see which fractions are equivalent to half. The first one I have here is 1/3. And when I put 1/3 here, I can automatically tell that more than 1/3 will not be equivalent. So 1/3 will not be equivalent to half. Now I'm going to try 1/4. Yes, 1/4 is equivalent to 1/2. Okay. Now let's try 1/5. One-fifth will not be equivalent to 1/2. Let's try 1/6. One-sixth is equivalent to 1/2. Our next number we have here is the eighth, 1/8. And this is what the students will do. They will just sit independently and try and learn whether or not what fractions are equivalent. Equivalent meaning equal. Have volume. Okay, so we have 1/8. What else I haven't tried over here? I haven't tried the tens. Let's see if the tens work. 1/10. 1/10. But let's see how many 1/10s. Does 1/10 work?